Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you one of the simplest strategy that can make you a lot of money in the market. This strategy is only used in 5 minutes and is actually a scalping strategy. But you know one thing, Forex is very simple, but there are some complicated tutorials on the internet that wants to make it look so hard to you, so that at least you keep coming into their channel. You know, without you viewing their videos, they can't actually make money. But I don't care if you view my video, because I'm not making money on the internet, but I'm making money in Forex. Let's come into the chat and let me show you one thing I really want to show you in this particular video. This particular strategy is called trend trading. But wait, there are a lot of people that have been showing you how to trade trend in the market, but you keep asking yourself, why is it that you keep losing in the market, despite the fact that you've watched thousands of videos that have actually showed you how to trade trend? But trust me, in this video I'm going to simplify how you can actually identify a trend along with it and make a lot of money from it. First and foremost, what you need to do is to identify a clear uptrend or a downtrend. You can actually see right here. Let me actually show you right here. You can see this is actually a downtrend. As I said, this is actually a scalping strategy, so you don't really need to identify a very long uptrend or downtrend. As far as the market is forming a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high, you can actually see. You just have to make use of it. This is actually a downtrend. And also when the market is actually forming a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, this is actually an uptrend. So what you need to do, the first thing you need to do is to identify a clear trend, either an uptrend or a downtrend. I hope you're getting it. You can see what we have right here. Now when you get it, what you have to do is this. Let me actually come down right here and show you certain things so that you'll be able to get the whole gist. Now whenever the market actually, in the case of an uptrend, whenever the market actually pulls up this way, it retraces, it pulls up, it retraces, it goes more as a higher high, it comes down as a higher low, and it keep moving. This is the trick. You're going to actually wait for the market to actually come back and retrace. And whenever the market is going up, you don't just enter, you need to confirm. There's still, if you go through a lower time frame, just like 1 minute time frame, they're still going to give you a lot of signals, a reversal candles or a double bottom, to indicate that okay, this particular market is going up. So what you have to do as a trader is to enter a trade right here. Whenever the market is actually trying to reverse to form a higher low, that is when you're going to pull out from the market, and you allow the market to actually retrace back to a particular level. And whenever the market is going up again as a higher high, you're actually going to enter the trade. The same thing as if you're actually going on a lower or the lower trend or a downtrend. Whenever the market actually come right here as a lower low, it pull up as a lower high, pull up as a lower low, lower high, a lower low. What you just have to do is to wait for the market to form a lower high, and you're going to find one or two confluences to show that this is actually a reversal candlestick. So right away you're going to enter a trade right here, and you're going to pull up a profit when you see that the market is reversing to form a lower high in the market. I hope what I'm saying now is making sense to you. But in case if it doesn't make sense to you, drop it in the comment section. Let me answer you right in the comment section. So as I've explained so far, let's actually come onto the chart and identify what I'm actually saying. As you can see right here, this is actually an uptrend. How do I know this is an uptrend? The market actually pull up right here, it actually retraced to form a higher low, and you can see the market couldn't come to break this particular level. It actually moved along this way, it actually comes back as a pullback to form a higher low. It actually goes as well to break this particular previous higher high in the market. It comes back again to retrace as a higher low, and it keeps going. This particular trend, you can just enter a trade 2-3 times in each trend, my bro, you are actually good for the day. Now let's come in the case of a downtrend. In the case of the downtrend, you can see right here the market actually comes down, it actually pulled back as a retest to form a lower high, it actually pulls back again to form a lower low, pulls back as a lower lower high, and you can see how the market keeps collapsing. So I'm going to show you a trick. So I advise you to watch this video till the end, because at the end I'm going to show you how to identify when the market is trying to change direction. But I'll only say that if you watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, do ensure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and comment on this video. So this is just it. Now let's actually go into the chart fully and let's see what we're talking about. So situations whereby the market actually forms a ranging market, probably when the market is forming a ranging market, or probably some people call it a support and resistance, or I often call this a ranging market. The market, most times it tends to change positions, like tends to change direction or trend. So immediately the market actually breaks out of a particular ranging market, there are high possibilities that the market may actually form another new trend in the market, such as in the case of this. You can see the market has been going up, and later on it actually started coming down. The first confluence you need to know right here is that allow the market to actually comes down, pull up, and actually when there is actually a put down right here that actually breaks this particular level, let me actually mark it out for you people to see. You allow the market to actually comes up this way, and if this cannot actually break this high right here, if the market cannot break the high right there, and you can see that the market actually retraced to this particular level, and when it's actually pulling back as a lower high, it couldn't break this particular high. What you just have to do is to actually allow the market to give you a second confluences, and the second confluences is for you to identify a rejection candles. As you can see right here, this is a bearish engulfing candle, and also this is an evening star, and you can see a doji right here again, which actually shows that okay, this is actually a reversal move in the market. What you just have to do as a trader is for you to take your short position too, and you can put your stop loss just right here. Take your profit below the lower high, probably right here. And see below the lower high, but most times I'll always advise you to actually keep it 1:1, because this is actually a good scalping strategy. But look at this just right here, this is 1:5.6. You can see this is a very good risk to reward ratio. Imagine you're actually taking this trade using a one lot size on probably a 100,000 account or a 10,000 account, probably creating like 5 positions from here to this particular level. Trust me, you've made a lot of money. But another thing you need to also note is that when the market is actually reversing back, also ensure that the market did not break this particular level. You get, ensure the market does not break the previous high, and whenever it's actually coming back again, you also have to identify a reversal candle. As you can see right here, this is an evening star. Let me actually draw it out for you to see. This is an evening star right here. Right here, this is also a doji right here, which also shows that this is actually a reversal candlestick. So what you just have to do, immediately the market actually retrace as a lower high right here, which it couldn't break the previous high, and you can see a rejection in the market. All you just have to do is to just keep your shots. You just come over right here, put your stop loss right here. You're going to take your take profit below the previous low in the market, and you can see right here, this is 3.26, which is actually very good risk to reward. And you can see just like that, you just keep scalping the market till the market changes a direction. And in the situation of an uptrend right here, you can see right here, market actually consolidate. As I always tell you, whenever a market consolidates and there's a breakout, mostly there is a situation whereby the market tends to change its direction. So right here, as you can see with me, let me zoom it in so you guys can see the market actually pull up. You can see right here, it actually retraced and it goes as a higher high, it actually comes back as a higher low, it goes and it keeps moving in the market. You can see this is a very good massive trend, and this is what I actually enjoyed doing in the market. So guys, I don't want you to see this as if I'm actually talking too much. I want to go into the market show you how I trade this particular strategy, and that could give you a confidence that okay, this strategy works all the time. So guys, join me, let me go and get the opportunity, bring it down to you and explain that to you. So guys, as you can see, I've actually identified another opportunity in the market. You can see right here, the market actually pulls down right here, and it actually pull up, and you can see how it forms a lower low. First and foremost, this first confirmation I actually got right here is that the market has been going on an uptrend, and there was actually a consolidation in the market. And when there was actually a pull out in the market couldn't, when it reversed, it was unable to break the previous high, and you can see the market collapsed, and it actually forms a recent lower low right here in the market. So what I will wait for in order to trade this particular market, because I know this market is actually going to go on a downtrend, is to ensure I just wait for the market to reverse or to come on form a lower high. Then when it's actually going on a lower low, that is when I'm actually going to enter the trade. So guys, let's wait and see what the market has to offer. So right away guys, as you can see right here, the market actually come up as a lower high right here. It was unable to break this particular high. As you can see right here, the market is actually forming a lower low right here. Now what should give me a confirmation that this particular trade is actually going on a downtrend? First and foremost, you can see a doji right here, and you can see this particular candle forming an evening star just right here. So immediately I saw this, the first confirmation, as I've said, is that the market was able to go as a lower high but was unable to break this particular previous high. And you can see the market is actually showing a reversal with this particular candlestick. So what I'll just do right here is to actually take my short position to, I'll enter the trade right here. I'll put my stop loss just right here, then I'll put my take profit below this particular level. I could just make it just 1:1.3, just like this, because I know the lower low will definitely break this lower, the previous low right here. So let's see how the market plays out in this particular trade. Yeah, as you can see right here, we've actually hit our take profit right here. But most times as a trader, I often allow you to know that this is actually a very good scalping strategy right here. This is a good scalping strategy. You can actually sometimes, in order for you not to be more on for you not to expose yourself more to risk in a kind of scalping strategy, do ensure you make it probably 1:2 in the market, or actually make it 1:2. If you actually make it 1:2 in the market, we could actually enter a trade, hit our take profit right here. And when the market actually forms the next lower high right here, we can actually re-enter the trades. And when you're able to enter 2 or 3 trades in a day using this particular strategy, I promise you're going to be distinctly rich. So if you have any question, do ensure you drop it on the comment section. But I said I'm going to give you a bonus before the end of this video for those people that actually watch this video till the end. So the bonus is just like this. In order for you to easily identify a uptrend or downtrend in the market, so that you can actually enter the market using a sniper entry strategy, it's for you to come over to the indicator right here, and you can actually search an indicator called moving average exponential. Moving average exponential, you're going to click on it. So that indicator will actually give you a direction of the market. As you can see right here, when the market actually breaks out, it actually gives you a direction of the market, how the direction of the market, and how you can easily identify the trend. As you can see right here, it actually indicates an uptrend, and you can see right here it actually indicates a downtrend. So if you want me to actually teach on how to use moving average on a trade, do ensure you drop it in the comment section. That could be my next video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do ensure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you miss any of my amazing videos. Till I see you again in another video. Cheers and keep trading, guys.